Hi, I'm Margaret. Today's Throw It All in chocolate cake needs a 9-inch loose bottom cake tin, and the first job is to make it waterproof, because we certainly don't want it dripping out while it's baking in the oven. Baking paper works really well for this. I'm lining the bottom of the tin first, and then I'm going to get a large piece of baking paper and scrunch it up. This makes the paper far more flexible so it can go into the curves of the tin. Just push the paper into the sides and you're ready to go. Now, when I said this is a throw it all in chocolate cake, that's exactly what it is. Every ingredient literally gets tossed into the bowl. It really is a can't go wrong cake. You can't do this with a regular sponge. That has to be a method, and the only reason you can do it with this sponge is because of the ingredients that are used and how easily they mix together. So add everything to the bowl. You'll start to see, as the final ingredients are added, that this is an extremely liquidy cake, and you'd be forgiven for thinking it would never bake into a cake. But I promise you it does. It makes a beautifully rich and moist cake. So once everything is in the bowl, give it a really good stir with a wooden spoon. Make sure you break the egg yolks and that everything's incorporated well. Oops, I forgot the salt. That's very important. It really brings out that lovely chocolatey flavour. Now the only thing to do is to pour all of that lovely chocolatey mixture into the prepared tin and bake it for about 1¼ hours. And there it is, all richly chocolatey and delicious. And once it's chilled, it can come out of that tin and it's time to decorate. I'm going to pop this one upside down so I've got a nice flat surface to pop my topping onto. Just tear off gently the baking paper and you can top it with chocolate cream. I'll put the link to this recipe at the end of the video and also in the description below. It's a beautifully easy topping to make and it goes on a treat. I want to make it a bit bumpy on top to give it a little texture. And then I'm going to add giant chocolate sprinkles. You might have seen the video on how to make these, but again I'll put it at the end of the video and also in the description below so you can have a look for yourselves. Just pop them on any way you like and it's ready to eat. You can serve this with yoghurt, ice cream or creme fraiche. My favourite is yoghurt because it adds a bit of lightness to this beautifully rich chocolate cake. Thanks for watching today. I do appreciate your support. If you've enjoyed the video, please drop a like and leave me a comment. I do read every one of them and I try and answer each one that I can. Have a great week and I'll catch you soon.